The Novation Launchpad is a very unique MIDI controller. Wide range of musicians, music producers use it for quite a few applications, such as a MIDI sampling machine, MIDI controller for music productions, and many use it to make fantastic Launchpad cover on the internet. And it has been an ongoing trend for quite some years, especially on YouTube. Many great artists such as Medion, Neff, Sonic, Cast Corby, etc. have made a lot of amazing Launchpad cover and mashup over the years. They are the people who inspired me into learning how to play a Launchpad at the very beginning. And many years later, I decided to put this course together in teaching you how to build a Launchpad Lightshow. Hi there, my name is Javen, and I will be your instructor of this course in teaching you how to build a great Launchpad Lightshow with Ableton.
Nice.
I'm a music producer. I compose and produce music for short films, albums, soundtracks, and also making music-related content, including Launchpad Lightshows, as well as writing articles on goodnoisemusic.com. Feel free to check it out if you want. In this course, I'm going to teach you the 3 methods that you should know in building a Launchpad Lightshow. We will go through the process of this method, and you will get to learn everything you need to know in order to build a good Launchpad Lightshow. The reason why are there different ways in building a Launchpad cover is because each of them could be applied in different scenarios. And also there are some pros and cons in using each of these methods as well, which I will talk more about all the details in the upcoming lessons. At the end of this class, you should have a very good understanding in knowing what a Launchpad Lightshow is and to be able to make a Launchpad cover all by yourself. This class is for all level musicians, producers, music lovers. If you have ever watched someone perform a Launchpad Lightshow before and it got you interested about knowing how it works and what's the concept behind it, then this class is for you. I'm really looking forward to having you in this course, so without further ado, let's jump right into it.